Ho, ho, ho! That's right. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. Once the middle of November reaches, I start feeling the Christmas spirit. And I'm ready to do some Christmas recipes. Slowly but surely, I'll get into the Christmas mood. But I'm starting with a not so meaty dish. I'm sometimes blamed that I do too much meat on the show because I'm a meat mouth. So sometimes I have to restrain myself, and I'm going to do and start with something that you can just whip up and put anything in. I love eggs, guys. I love eggs so much that I can eat eggs for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. It's true. I can eat eggs whole day without a problem. I'm doing what I like to call my cheesy frittata. Now, with a frittata, you can really throw anything in a frittata. And that's why I like it. So if I have hot dogs, I have sausages, I have bacon, I can throw veggies in there. I can throw anything in a frittata. Get my eggs on a frying pan, in the oven, bake. It fluffs up nicely. It's light, it's fluffy, it's beautiful. And I can really experiment with my frittata. I'm not doing meat. I'm doing a veggie frittata. So I have some onions that I just want to get going. And I'm adding some lovely colorful peppers. I got some lovely colorful peppers in the market. And I just want to get my onions and peppers started there. In the meantime, I can start seasoning my eggs. I have 4 eggs. And I just want to salt. So the truth is, if you're seeing these eggs, you recognize one looks a little bigger than the other. So I want to thank my father. My father, in his retirement, is rearing ducks, and he's bringing duck eggs for me. I eat in duck eggs. So there are 3 chicken eggs and 1 duck egg there. Seasoned salt and pepper. You know your onions happening when you start smelling the onions. I have some mushroom because I love mushrooms. Add some mushrooms in there. Salt, pepper, where am I? I love a little green seasoning. Some good old Trini green seasoning just to add in my eggs. Just a little dollop. And we'll add a little milk. Just a little touch of milk in there. I have some cheese. Just simple grated cheddar cheese. You can throw whatever kind of cheese in there you want. Mix your cheese in. My eggs are ready. I like to season in layers. So to my vegetables, I can just add a little salt, just a little touch of salt, a little touch of pepper. And last but not least, I'm just adding some tomatoes in here. Now, doesn't that look pretty? Vegetables can be fun. It can be. So, but just think about it. I mean, if you said you had sausages, you have ham, Christmas morning, you chop up some ham, quick. You throw it in there. You can do a ham and cheese frittata. Yeah, you can go places with a frittata, and it's so easy, so simple once you follow these simple steps. My eggs go straight over my veggies. Kind of just want to shake it in place. All you're looking for now here, guys, is for the eggs to kind of just set all around. You kind of want to, if you can, just create Just trying to get some of it seeped under. But you really just want to set. It will take no more than just about 30 seconds to a minute. At this stage, you can add a little more cheese just on the top. And I have some feta cheese, guys. So this is a nice salty Mediterranean type flavored cheese. I just love it. It has a nice little salty content, salty kick. Just want to add just a little sprinkling just on top to give it that little. Once you see these edges are like coming together like that, in a 350 to 375 degree oven, you get this straight in the oven and bake for no more than about 10 to 12 minutes. A little shake like that, just to make sure. Look at that. Vegetable goodness. So it should cooperate and just kind of nice slides out nicely. If it cooperates, we'll get it perfectly. Badam, badam, badam. So guys, all I want to do to that is just a little tomatoes, a little pop of color. I love tomatoes, just in the middle there. A little garnish with some shadow benny. Good stuff. This is breakfast for a king. And as I said, you can really just use this and stuff this with anything you want. If you're on veggies, you can do veggies. But if you like some meats, as I said, ham, turkey, leftover stuff, put it in there, toss some eggs, fry, bake, and you're ready to go. So it's almost like a pizza vibes, right? It's like a pizza vibes. You can cut it down the middle. I kind of like to do that sometimes. They do nice little slices like this. Eggs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Try the veggie frittata, guys.